So, this kind of love is a very struggling and very complicated and very challenging, both Pai and Yuko. So, this kind of love is a very beautiful things, but so challenging. So, in this case, it seems like this relationship has faced its pair share of obstacle and struggle, yet despite all the challenges, both have continued to stand by each other and fight for their love. That is truly admirable. So love is not always easy. It requires patience, understanding, and perseverance. It is about being there for their others through thick and thin. Even when things get low, it is about facing your problem heads on finding solutions together. And most important, it is about never giving up of each other. Pai, you have shown incredible strength and determination in fighting for your love with Yuko. Despite the doubts and uncertainties that may have crossed your mind, you have remained steadfast in your commitment to your relationship with your loyalty and devotion to Yuko. Are you truly commendable? Yuko, you have always demonstrated unwavering support to love for Fai. You have stood by her side through the high and low, offering her comfort and reassurance when she needed it most. Your dedication to Pai and your relationship is truly heartwarming. Together and both make a formidable team. So your love is a beacon of hope and inspirations for others who may be facing similar challenges in their relationship. Your resilience in the face of adversity serve as a reminder that true love knows no bound and can overcome any obstacle. This reminds us that love is a journey, not a destination. It is a constant work in progress that requires effort and commitment from both parties. It is about growing together, learning from each other, and ultimately becoming better individuals because of the love you share. So Pai and Yuko continue to cherish and nurture your love. Keep communicating openly and honestly with each other and never hesitate to seek help or guidance when needed. Remember that love is always love, always win, and make it fighting whatever obstacles may come. That is okay to have a disagreement and misunderstanding of their friends, relatives, and others, as long as you work through them together with love and respect. Your love story is a testament to the power of love and strength of the human spirit. It is a reminder that love conquers all that with the right mindset and determination. You can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. So continue to stand by each other. Fight for your love and never lose sight of the beautiful connection you share. Your love is worth fighting for, and together you can conquer any challenge that comes your way. May your love continue to grow and flourish, bringing you both joy and fulfillment. May you always find a solace in each other, arms and strength each other presence, and may your love story continue to inspire others that never give up on love, no matter how complicated or challenge it may seem. With all the support and embark on this beautiful journey of love and connection, may your heart be filled with joy, in your soul intertwined in a dance of pure love. Your meeting is like a serendipitous moment, a collision of two souls destined to find each other. In this vast of universe, may your love story be a melody of laughter, understanding, and unwavering support of love. When you look into your eyes with Yuko, I see a reflection of your true love, being as your partner will stand by your side through every storm and celebration. So Yuko and Pai, you have found kindred spirit of love that knows no bound and companion for all eternity. Let your love be a beacon of light guiding you through life, twist and turn. Cherish each moment. Hold each other and close. Remember that in each other's arms you have found home. Your love is masterpiece in any making canvas waiting to be painted with the colors of trust, respect, and affection. Your love story be a testament to the power of love, a reminder that the world full of chaos, that love always finds a way to shine through. This like an embrace this journey with open heart and open mind. For each other, you have found a love that is truly extraordinary. By your meeting is like a dream come true. Your presence light up the world in ways I never know possible. So I love seeing both of you with Yuko and explore the journey of love with you. So from Yuko is a moment